Hey guys, today let's solve the validate binary search tree problem. So this is the given problem, right? They are giving us the root of binary tree. What we need to do is to check if the given root is a valid binary search tree. Well, first we need to understand what does it mean by valid BST, right? Basically that means leaf is smaller than root smaller than right. Let's take a look at the example 1. Let's say the given input is 2, 1, 3. Is it a valid binary search tree? Yes. Then let's move to example 2. How about this? Is it a valid BST? No, right? Because the root is 5. Meanwhile, the right is 4. It's supposed to be bigger than 5, right? So it falls. Let's take a look at the example 3. What if the given input is like this? Is it a valid BST? Yes, right? So we return true. Main thing is that BST invariant means left is smaller than root smaller than right. So it's more natural for us using DFS with in-order traversal to validate the BST. I will show you 3 options to solve this problem. Option 1, we can use DFS recursion. Then option 2, we can use DFS iteration with 1 stack. Then option 3, we can use BFS. Let's see how option 1 solving this problem. So first, we need to create helper function called build. No, sorry. This one should be is valid BST. Then we need 3 arguments. What is that? The first one, 3 arguments. Well, the first one is not. Then the second one, we need left and right. Well, the first one is not. Then left and right. Okay. Then we just simply return call is valid. The not is we starting from root is valid root. Then we are using min infinity for the lower bound for left subtree, and we use plus infinity for upper bound for right subtree, using minus infinity for left subtree lower bound and plus infinity for right subtree upper bound, because BST invariant is left smaller than root smaller than right. Okay, then instead of the function if not is null, we return true. Then if left is not smaller than not value and not value is not smaller than right, return false. Then we just simply need recursively call left subtree and right subtree. That's all, right? Let's say the given input is this. So at first we are starting from is valid BST, then the root is not 2, right? We using min infinity as the lower bound for left subtree and plus infinity for upper bound for left right subtree, right? Then this will check is minus infinity is smaller than 2 and 2 is smaller than plus infinity, true, right? So continue. So this we gonna call is valid. The not dot leaf is not 1, then the left side is min infinity, the right side is 2. This one is left subtree of not 2, right? Then this is valid, right subtree is not 3. Then the left one is 2, right? Then the right we use plus infinity. This one is right subtree of not 2. Okay. Inside of this, we gonna check is min infinity smaller than 1 and 1 smaller than 2. True. Continue, right? Then this will call is valid. Is 1 have any child not? No. So it will be called null. What is the left subtree for this? Well, that is left subtree. We're gonna use the left one as well, which is min infinity. Then the right one is 1. Okay. This one is left subtree of not 1. Then is valid null as well because 1 doesn't have any right subtree, right? Then the left one is 1. The right one is plus infinity. This one is right subtree of not 1. Okay, then on here we're gonna check is 2 smaller than 3 and 3 smaller than plus infinity. True. So we continue, right? This will call is 3 have any child not? No, right? So we're gonna call is valid null. Then the left one is 2. Then the right one is the not value, right, which is 3. Okay. This one is left subtree of not 3. Then is valid. The right one is null. Okay. Then the right side is 3. Then hold on, this one, the left side is 3. That is correct. Then for this is plus infinity. This one is right subtree of not 3. Okay. So for this, because it's null, right, we return true. This one is also null, we return true. So this will be return true. This also true. This is return true. Because left and right for this is true, right? This will be return true as well. So the final decision is true, right? Let's turn them into code. Validate BST. Then they are giving us the root, right? We're gonna create a new function, const is valid not left right. It will call return is valid the root. We are starting from the root, right? Then min infinity as the lower bound for left subtree plus infinity for upper bound for right subtree. Using min infinity as lower bound for left subtree, then using plus infinity as upper bound for right subtree. Okay. Then inside of here, if the node is null, return true. If the left is not smaller than not value and not value is not smaller than right, return false. Then we recursively check both of them, right? It will be return is valid not that leaf and not value. Then the right one is not dot right, the left side is not value, then right. Recursively check left and right. Okay, that's all. Let's do the time and space complexity analysis. This one is, we're gonna check all of the nodes, right? It will be all and time and all and space. Do it to recursion using stack. Okay, that's all. So for DFS recursion solution, it will be all and time and all and space. Let's move to option 2. How about this? While DFS using stack, we can use and in order traversal. So first, we gonna create stack. Then we gonna create current node as the pointer, start from root, right? Then create previous to validate the BST. Then while current node is not null or stack is not empty, we return true for final decision after checking. Then for this, inside of this, we gonna visit left until it's null. Get the current node to validate the BST from stack. Then after that, we need to visit right sub-tree. On here, if the previous is not null and current node.value is smaller or equal to the previous dot file, return false, because BST supposed to be increment value when we do in order traversal. Okay, let's see. Let's say the given input is like this, right? So first, the current node is not 2. Then we gonna visit left, right? It will be stack.push current node, which means stack.push not 2, right? Then we move the current node to the left, right? What is the left sub-tree for node 2? That is 1. So current node is current node.left, which is current node is not 1. So on here, the stack is we have not 2, right? Stack.push current node again. That means we are pushing the node 1, right? So the stack now we have node 2 and node 1. Because the current node is already null, current node.left, and node 1 doesn't have any left sub-tree, right? Or right sub-tree. So this is null. So we gonna validate the BST. It will be get the current node from the stack.pop, because stack is default. Last in first out, so it only left the node 2. We have node 2, so the current node is node 1, right? Stack.pop is previous are not null, and current node value is smaller or equal to the previous value. That means we are asking is if previous is not null and current node value is 1, right? Is it smaller than the previous? We are starting from null. This one is init. The stack is empty, list at first. The previous is null. So on here, is it 1 smaller or equal to null? False. So continue, right? Then we assign current node as the previous. It will be node 1. So we visit the right. Current node is current node dot right, which is null because 1 doesn't have any right node, right? So we continue again. I'm gonna copy this. We get the node 2 from the stack. Now the stack is empty. It will be node 2. So this is it previous It's not null. Yes, because we have not 1 right on here. So the current node is 2. Is it 2 smaller or equal to 1? False. So we continue. Then we assign 2 as previous node, right? This will be the current previous. Then we visit the right subtree of node 2, which is 3, right? So this will be node 3. So we're gonna push to the stack again, right? Current node, which is stack.push node 3. Now the stack we have node 3. Okay, then we validate the BSD again, right? I think I will just copy it. Then we get the node 3 from the stack. It's empty. Now we have node 3, right? The previous value is 2, right? This. So this will be 2. Meanwhile, for the current node value is 3, right? Is it 3 smaller or equal to 2? False. So we continue and assign 3 as previous node. Is 3 have any right subtree? No, right? So it will be null. This is right subtree of node 3. So exit the while loop because current node is null and stack is empty. Then we return true, means the given root is valid BSD. That's all, right? Let's turn the into code. Const validate BSD. Then they are giving us the root, right? We are creating a new stack. Const stack is empty list. Then we create the current node starting from the root. Let the previous will starting from null. While stack.length is bigger than 0 or current node is not null, right? Visit left until null. Validate the BSD. Visit right. So on here, while current node is not null, stack.push current node. Then we move the pointer to the left subtree, right? It will be current node is current node dot left. Move the pointer to the left. Okay. Then we validate them. We get the current node from the stack. Stack dot pop because stack is leave4. Then we check if the previous is not null and the current node value is smaller or equal to previous.val. Return false. We assign the current node as previous. Then we visit the right. It will be current node dot right. This one is return true. Final decision after checking. Okay, that's all. I need this. If the root is null, we return true. Okay, as the pointer, let's do the time and space complexity analysis. O and time because we need to visit all nodes at least once. This one is O and space. O1 time per overall is O and time. Then this will be the same, right? This one is all one time. So for this solution, it will be all n time and all n space. That's all. Let's move to option 3. How we can solve it using BFS? Let me show you. So first we need to create Q. Then we push the root as the node, min infinity as the left, to act as the lower bound. Then plus infinity as the right, to act as upper bound. Then while Q is not empty, what are we gonna do is return true, right, for final decision after checking. Then inside of this, get the node left and right from the Q. If the left is not smaller than node value and node value is not smaller than right, we return false. That means it's invalid BST, right? If left sub 3 is not null, push to the Q. If right sub 3 is not null, push to the Q. Okay, that's all. Let's see. Let's say the given input is root, then 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Is it a valid BST? Let's see, right? So at first, we're gonna init the Q is not, which is not 1. Then the left, we are starting from min infinity, and the right is plus infinity. Then while Q is not empty, which is true, right? We get the not 1, min infinity, and plus infinity. Q is V4, so we're gonna use shift because Q is V4. So on here is min infinity smaller than 1 and 1 smaller than plus infinity. To continue. Then we push the left and right sub 3, right, which is 4 and 5. It will be Q dot push. The not the left is not 4. Then the left one is min infinity. The right is not value, right? Yep, the right is not value, which is 1. Then I will copy this. This one is left sub 3 of not 1. The right sub 3 is 5. Then the left side is 1. The right side is plus infinity. This one is right sub 3 of not 1. So now the Q we have not 4, min infinity, and 1. Then another one is not 5, 1. The right side is plus infinity. While Q is not empty, we're gonna get the Q. First in, first out, so we're gonna get the not 4 first, min infinity, and 1. Now the Q only leave this. Okay, so is mean infinity smaller than 4 and 4 smaller than 1? False. So we return false. That's all, right? So for the input root 1, 4, 5, it will be returned false. Let's turn them into code. I will just directly code it on here. Option 3, BFS, right? If the root is null, return true. Then we create Q. Const Q. The not is root. Then the left is min infinity. The right is plus infinity. After that, while Q.length is bigger than 0, I will just using Q like this. Q. We're gonna get them not left, right. Q dot shift because Q is V4. Then if the left is not smaller than not dot value and not dot value is not smaller than right, return false. If not dot left, Q dot push, the not is not dot left, the left is left, the right is dot value. I will copy this. This one is right. This one is right. The left side is not value, right? Yes, then this one is right. That's all. Then we return true. Final decision after checking. ON space. ON time, because we need to visit all nodes once. So for this will be O and time and O and space. Let's try. Let's submit. Yay, it's working. Let's see the DFS solution, right? Option 1, DFS recursion. Then we create a new helper function, right? Const is valid, not left, right. If the node is null, return true. Am I missing something? Yes. Then if left is not smaller than not dot val and not dot value is not smaller than right, return false. Recursively check left and right. So return is valid, not dot left and not dot value, right. Then this one is valid, not dot right, not value and right. On here we're gonna call return is valid root min infinity plus infinity. Let's try. Okay, it's working. Let's move to option 2. DFS iteration with one stack and in order traversal. So first, if the root is empty, return true. Then let stack is empty. Let current node starting from the root. Let previous is null. This one is AS pointer. While stack.length is bigger than 0, or current node is not null. We gonna visit left until now. Validate the BST. Visit right. Return true. Final decision after checking. On here is while current node state.push current node, then dot leave. Move the pointer to the left. Validate the BST. Current node is state.pop, because state is before, right? Then if the previous is not null and current node.val is smaller or equal to previous.val, return false. Then we assign current node as previous, because BST supposed to be increment when we do in order reversal. Current node is current node dot right. That's all. Let's try the. Okay, it's working. That's all from me. See you next time.